And now we are cut these leaves of extra leaves of my ampalaya to focus the nutrients of the top of the plant or apex. So I cut this. This stem I will not cut this time to allow build more roots. After 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I will cut this stem to the roots will they will build will supply to the top. This is my string beans. And what happened to my string beans? So if you notice you have a plant will die, just get it and throw it away to avoid infect other plants. Okay, thank you for watching. Ampalaya.